What's up YouTube, Magnus here, back with another video for you guys. Today we're talking about the tools that you'll need to start carving leather. But before we start, if you enjoy costuming, prop building, or leather crafting, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification button to make sure you miss none of my videos. Remember that I link all of the tools that I use in every single one of my videos in the description box down below. So you can check that out. And purchasing tools through those links, that helps the channel out.
The first thing you're going to need is a granite slab and a poundo board to help deaden the sound. Obviously you're going to need vegetable tanned leather and only vegetable tanned leather. Some tracing film that you can buy in sheets or rolls. It'll go through a laser printer, which is easier if it's the sheet. But you can cut out pieces from the roll, tape it to a piece of paper, and print it through your laser printer that way. It's just a little more work, but cheaper. I wouldn't call this stylus mandatory, but I like the scoop. It helps smooth out edges and do some very shallow fake bevels. I use this stylus here all the time, but mainly in this case it's for tracing your design onto your leather. I use this end primarily, the sharper end. A background texture of your choice. Now I have different sizes of the same texture. Even that first one I modified a bit to make even smaller. The second one is the one you really need, and the other ones are just bonus ones. Like this larger one here, just to make things go a bit faster. You're going to want a beveler. Smaller is better when you're just starting out to help add depth to your project. They come in smooth and textured. A swivel knife of your choice. There's a few examples of swivel knives. None of these are crazy expensive. I think the center one is the most expensive at $35. You don't need a ton of different blades. This is a filigree blade, steel obviously. The second is a ceramic angle blade, and the last one is just a regular squared off blade that comes with the stock knife. This is the swivel knife that I use. I had lost it for this video. I found it again but didn't get it into the video. I use this swivel knife but with a ceramic filigree blade for almost all my projects. I'm in Canada, so this swivel knife costs, I think it's $80 in Canada, so I'm not sure what it is in the States, maybe 55, 60 bucks. And because I lost it, I bought a few knives just for this video to show examples. And when I found it again, I decided to just give it a little feel, and for me personally, I can really feel the difference. It's definitely my favorite knife. Another thing I have that I haven't used a lot of is a hollow ground blade. I'm not 100% sure what the point is. Maybe they have less drag. But yeah, I just have never really found a use for them. Jeweler's rouge and a strop will keep your blade sharp. I even polish my ceramic blades. It helps them glide a lot smoother. You're going to need some kind of mallet. I really like this mallet. I'm not a big Al Stolman tool fanboy, but I do enjoy this mallet. It's well balanced. It's easy on the wrist. Though I used this mallet for about 8 years, so you can easily get away with a cheap poly mallet. And then obviously you're going to need some water, a sponge, and something to hold it in.
Thanks for watching everybody. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And if you want to help support the channel even more, you can head on over to my Patreon page where you can get my artwork for use in your projects. And until next time, keep on being creative in whatever it is you do.